What's up, Sanshu? In your hoodies, how are you? Hope you're fine now. Hope you have a good day, my friends. In this video, I'm talking about the Sanshu price. Latest update. What's going on in the Sanshu What's the price changes occurring in the Sanshu now at this time? I will share the latest update. So keep watching this video complete. And my friends, guys, before starting this video, please click the subscribe button and like this video, my friends. Absolutely, if you subscribe ABS Tech channel, so you will get the latest update about the cryptocurrencies market. My friends, now at this time, the price of Sanshu is still zero USD dollar. That's not mean that the exact price of the Sanshu is zero, my friends. That's mean that the price is very low, and I think that's another opportunity for all of you to buy more and more Sanshu because my friends, the future of Sanshu is very bright. And you know what, if the Sanshu going to hit a 1 USD dollar in 2021, so I think that will make you millionaire if they are going to hit a 1 USD dollar, my friends. So now at this time, still again and again, I recommend for all of you to buy more and more Sanshu because it is a low price cryptocurrencies, my friends. The price of Sanshu positive 2.85% in the last 1 hour and positive 8.57% the price last 1 day changes, my friend. So from the yesterday, the Sanshu will start pumping, and I hope that they continue this pump for the next 1-2 weeks, my friends. So that's clear that the future of Sanshu is bright. So why you are not buying more and more Sanshu? If you want profit, so buy more and more Sanshu and make profit. Thanks for watching this video. What is your opinion? What is your prediction about Sanshu? Please share in the comment box and subscribe our channel for more news and updates videos.